Fair-faced concrete finishes are becoming more and more important, especially in modern architecture. Demanding projects that involve fair-faced concrete need to be very carefully planned, and this includes doing trial pours. We shall be looking at a trial pour in this film, so as to get an idea of some of the most important aspects of a fair-faced concrete project. The film aims to show you how to achieve the very best results when casting fair-faced concrete elements. When it comes to casting high-quality fair-faced concrete, there are several factors that are absolutely critical. Firstly, using a concrete formulated to meet all the usual requirements for conventional fair-faced concrete. Secondly, having the work carried out properly by a skilled site crew. Thirdly, using suitable formwork. And fourthly, flexible high-performance vibration equipment. Doka formwork systems and Wacker vibration equipment together provide the best possible preconditions for a successful, properly executed concrete casting project. For the concreting trial shown in this film, we used Framax X-Life framed formwork from Doka and Doka large area formwork Top 50. The new Framax X-Life formwork system sets a brand new benchmark for concrete quality and efficiency. With its carefully coordinated panel formats, the logical system grid lets you make optimum use of the formwork. The Framax X-Life sheet is a completely new product that was developed from first principles. Its special design with revolutionary plastic surfacing gives it up to 3 times the service life of a conventional sheet. Connecting the panels is quick and easy. One blow of the hammer is all it takes. The Framax multifunction clamp has a clamping range of 15 centimeters, so it fits perfectly with the panel size grid and makes it easy to connect panels with closures. An integrated wailing system with fixing rails extending across the entire width of the panel makes quick and easy work of connecting accessories like pouring platforms, panel struts and universal wailings without constraint points and completely safely. These features make for fast forming times and high efficiency. For more challenging construction projects requiring optimum adaptability to the structure geometry, tie-hole patterns and concrete faces, Doka Large Area Formwork Top 50 is the system of choice. With only 3 different system components, Top 50 has huge flexibility and allows any desired geometrical shape to be formed. There are no restrictions on the choice of form ply or tie-hole pattern. The formwork can be designed for any concrete pressure. All Doka formwork systems meet the relevant safety standards in accordance with the usual directives. They also come with helpful user information booklets and utilization and assembly plans, making it easy to work with Doka formwork systems. Individual, customized solutions for compacting fair-faced concrete. Wacker has developed a flexible and compact plug-and-play modular system for virtually any possible solution on an in-situ concreting job site. The central element is the Wacker fair-faced concrete vibrator. The AR36 series is extremely light and easy to handle. The external vibrator is the ideal system component for performing any type of concreting project under difficult conditions. In many cases, it's an ideal complement to the internal vibrator, for example, when the concrete is highly reinforced, when space is limited or access difficult, and when there are wall box-outs or window and door openings. The Wacker AR36 fair-faced concrete vibrator is a small, lightweight and flexible external vibrator for in-situ concreting formwork and light precast element forms. The benefits of the AR36 are: it is quick and easy to attach to the formwork. Its sturdy, high-temperature, stable electric motor. Great speed stability, thanks to its robust motor curve, and the fact that it is fully sealed against dust and sprayed water. All the connections and power cables are vibration-proof. When planning to use Fairface concrete vibrators, it's important to consider where and how they'll be attached to the formwork. Attaching Fairface concrete vibrators is a simple job with the Wacker fastening clamps. The Wacker fastening clamps offer both universal form clamps for flexible usage as well as individually produced clamps for custom applications. For example, Wacker SV4 wood clamping clamps and Wacker SV41. In this case, with a quick change device that can be installed on the formwork in advance to facilitate rapid changing of Fairface concrete vibrators. The Wacker SV5 and Wacker SV51 steel frame tension clamps were custom developed for Doka formwork. This range of vibration equipment is rounded off by the electronic frequency inverter from Wacker. In the applications demonstrated in the film, conventional standard formula Fairface concrete is used. After reviewing the formula order, the slump flow dimension is checked. And then, trial cubes are cast and placed in storage. Next, the concrete that was tested in this way is admitted into the form through a drop pipe. The concrete should not drop more than 2 meters, and the poured layers ought not to be more than 50 centimeters high. To achieve good final results, it's just as important to have easy component handling procedures as it is to maintain a structured process. The lowest row of Fairface concrete vibrators attached to the formwork is switched on. The small and flexible and robust Wacker frequency inverters that are used to supply the Fairface concrete vibrators with electric power are ideally suited for use on a construction site. They provide the highest possible safety and are virtually maintenance-free. Wacker inverters are powerful and easy to handle. Their plug-and-play system makes them flexible and simple to operate. Like all construction site inverters from Wacker, they can also power internal vibrators. Their simple operational procedures ensure predictable results by providing optimal control over the electric vibrators. Transferring the vibrators to the next row is a quick and easy job. Once again, the benefits of coordinated systems are undeniable. The lightweight Wacker fastening clamps are ideal for use with Doka formwork systems. Tests have shown that when vibrators are used properly and concrete is poured at the normal recommended speed, the formwork pressure does not rise above the normal level. Difficult-to-access window openings can present a challenge when compacting concrete. But with Wacker Fairface concrete vibrators, complete compaction is easy to achieve even in these areas. To achieve the best possible appearance of the Fairface concrete, it's important to observe the correct formwork stripping times and to treat the concrete according to recommendations. The best way to be sure of getting outstanding concreting results is to comply with these parameters. The evaluation criteria include the appearance of the surface, porosity and any imperfections, the texture, the results at the edges, the color homogeneity, the dimensional accuracy and quality of the construction joints and of the joints between the formwork sheets. To sum up, the trial pour has shown that high-quality fair-faced concrete does not just happen by chance. Good, consistent results can be expected when the following key parameters are met: the right concrete, a carefully planned professional approach to the work, an appropriate formwork system, and the right vibration equipment. Doka formwork systems and Wacker plug-and-play vibration equipment work together to play a significant role in this process.